Have you ever wondered how underwater constructions are made? Underwater construction engineering is truly fascinating. It's one of the most challenging tasks of civil engineering. When building an underwater structure, engineers start with removing water from the construction area. They built a temporary dam called a cofferdam. The cofferdam's construction begins with the erection of guide piles. These guide piles guide the construction of the cofferdam. Then workers will drive many sheet piles in the soil with the help of a pile-driving hammer machine. The sheet piles are driven under the ocean bed till they reach the bedrock. The order of piling is from the corner to the center. We now come to the most crucial stage of the project, pumping out the water from the cofferdam. But before that, the engineers had to do a detailed geotechnical study of the soil on which the cofferdam was going to be constructed. This study is conducted using a cone penetration test. With the help of this handy test, the engineers know how deep the sheet piles must be driven. Once the water has been pumped, uneven pressure can cause the temporary dam to collapse. To avoid this, the workers double the space between the walls of sheet piles with granular materials such as sand, gravel, or broken rock. This double-layered cofferdam will effectively resist water leakage. To prevent the inward collapse of sheet piles, engineers erect a bracing frame structure by the side of the sheet piles. Now, all the water can be removed safely from the cofferdam. To continue our underwater construction project, we need to remove the soil above the hard strata and add concrete to the hard strata. For the removal of the soil from the cofferdam, we need an excavator and clamshell buckets. The seal course concreting is carried out using the Tremier method. This includes a hopper bucket and a long segmented pipe. Specialized cement with high workability is used to concrete the floor. A thick plug is installed at the bottom of the tri-pipe to prevent water from getting inside the pipe. Because the bridge pier structure is going to remain in the water, engineers ensure that the materials to be used in the construction are of the best quality. They must successfully bear the water pressure as well as the load of the bridge. Once the concrete is completely poured into the skeleton, the structure is removed after 28 days.